Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to go over how to use a spray bottle to help your acrylic painting journey. So I usually have just a little bottle of water, a little spray bottle, with me when I'm working on my pieces, just because, it could come in handy for various reasons. So for example, I'm using just paper to demonstrate how it improves the workability of your paint. And again, I know some people are against using water mixed in. Some people love using water mixed in. So it's not a wrong or right here. I'm just showing you something you could do to play. And that's all we're doing here is playing with our paints. Now I'm using the Liquitex Basics acrylic paint, which isn't way too thick to begin with. It's kind of thick, but not that thick. So from here, I'm just going to show you how adding the water to it, you can do it in a couple different ways, is gonna play out. So for example, I have, sometimes when I'm working, I have water pre-mixed in, like this right here. This blue has a little bit of water pre-mixed in, and this blue does not. So it's going to move and act a little bit differently by just not having any water mixed in. So I'm going to use the one with no water mixed in. And what you can do is you can always just add it to your project, and then you can take your spray bottle and squirt it, and it's just going to extend it. So maybe I want to squirt it a lot, and then I want it to have more of a watercolor look. So you could just squirt, 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 your heart's desire there, until it really, really washes out. But notice how it's spread really far. Now, if I didn't add any water at all, you're just getting this completely different. It starts to get this textured look, and you're not really filling it in all the way, and then it just runs out. But if you spray it a couple times, it's just really going to extend. Now, it's really great for using this, I think, is really great for an underpainting, which is just the base layer that you do on a painting, or can do. You don't have to do an underpainting, but it is fun, and I do like doing them for landscapes, florals, really anything. It's super fun. But anytime your paint is just not spreading, or you want it to get a little more watercolor-ish, just spray away, and it's going to go ahead and extend your paint for you and allow you to spread it. It obviously changes the color and the texture a little bit, but it is super fun to do. Now, another thing you can do just to keep your palette wet is to just squirt your palette every so often while you're working. Well, you'll notice, especially if you're in hot weather, that your paint will start to get like a little layer, like a little film on top, and it will start to dry out. So if you want to extend the life of your palette, you're going to go ahead and spray your palette as you're working as well. So getting a little spray bottle, filling it with water, using it for extending the life of your paints on a kind of doing a wash on the background, or just adding as you go. And you don't have to add as much as I did. It could just be a little bit. So you can just add to how much wetness you need in your painting. And this is just an alternative to another good old-fashioned method of just dipping whatever paintbrush you're using, dip it in the water, and then add it to your paint on the palette like that. And then you're also getting water added to your paint that way as well. So you don't need the squirt bottle, but some people find it nice to kind of add the paint and then spray, and then also spraying the palette, which you can't really do with just this. I mean, you can't like dump the water on there. The spray works really good for keeping your palette wet too. So I do think it's a fun tool to have on in your little art supply setup. And hopefully that's helpful for you to see how that could work and benefit you, and hopefully inspires you, hopefully helps improve your process in some way, shape, or form. Thanks for watching so much, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Bye.